White caps may look nice on a mountaintop, but not so much on your house. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. When we return, we'll talk about disguising unsightly pipes on your roof right after this. Are you tired of cleaning your shower? Let Wet and Forget Shower clean it for you. Wet and Forget is the quickest, easiest way to keep your shower sparkling clean. Just spray the shower top to bottom and you're done. The next morning, simply rinse it clean. That's it. Use Wet and Forget Shower once a week to tackle soap scum, shower grime, mold, and mildew stains. No scrubbing, no bleach, and no harsh fumes. Don't waste time scrubbing your shower. Pick up a bottle of Wet and Forget Shower at the Home Depot or Lowe's. Visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. Those pipes you see on your roof serve an important purpose. Some are plumbing vents, others serve as vents for appliances, but they stick out like a sore thumb, don't they? These pipes can be easily painted to blend in with your roof color. The easiest way is to use a good quality spray paint. For plastic pipes, a light sanding followed by an appropriate color paint will do the trick. But if you're trying to paint galvanized metal, you'll need to take a rag, saturate it in white vinegar, and rub the metal down first. The acid in the vinegar reacts with the galvanized metal, etching it so the spray paint will stick to it. Just be sure to pick a day with little or no wind and cover the surrounding area so no overspray gets on your roof. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.